Welcome back. So I've been having a little bit of a busy day. I was trying to edit the video the other day. Thursday night coming out here and Friday. And today is Sunday. Just like not even an hour ago, a lady came down and said there was a fire down at kilometer 10. So that kind of freaked me out. So immediately I threw the drone in the air just to see, like, is it getting close to me? Because I really don't want to pack up and leave if I don't have to. I mean, why lose this beautiful spot just for a small little scare? So I've got the drone charging. As soon as I'm done eating, I'm going to throw it in the air. Because I don't want to wake up and have, the fire crawling up on me. That would be scary. But, like I said, it's nice to know that you have a planned route to get out. So we do have a way around the lake. You can go this way, get out that way, no problem. Now, hopefully, we'll see, but I'm gonna eat my steak. I got my bathtub set up. Well, thank goodness there's no fire, but I'm gonna double check in the morning. So as soon as the drone's cooled down, I'll plug it in. Check first thing in the morning, probably before I go fishing, but that's it. I don't know what else to do. I mean, if there is a fire, it's so far away and it's so small that two people have driven past it and they haven't shown back up to say, hey, look, we can't go this way. There's a fire, blocking our path. So that being said, we're going to stick around. I'm not even going to bother starting packing right now. I don't see any threat to us right now. So until the camp host comes and says, time to go, it's time to go. All right. Well, I got my bath all set up. Got one more pot of water to go in there, and I'm going to enjoy the bathtub. And that's going to be it for tonight. Yeah, that's my excitement. But, I did catch a 10-inch yesterday, and I caught a 12-inch today. So that was really cool. I did get a picture here. I can show you a little picture of it. In my fancy new net that I have that floats. So then I can pump its stomach and then I can actually see what they're eating, and then I can find the fly and then put the fly on the fly rod. And then know I'm actually having the right fly on the fly rod to catch the best fish. Alright, that's going to be it. Alright guys, we'll see you guys in the morning. Well, that was pretty fun. We've had a thunderstorm over there, a thunderstorm over there. Another one passed by us not too long ago. I just started my fire. Wasn't too much of a big problem because we didn't get a lot of rain, but it did sprinkle, so that's always nice. But it's not enough to prevent a fire if a lightning strike did occur. As you can see in one of my previous videos, you can go check it out. A lightning stroke just up this mountain and lit up. And another one not too far lit up as well. So that's pretty scary. But hopefully no lightning strikes occurred to the point where we have to evacuate. So, yeah. Got my fire going. Cooking up some dinner. I got pierogies, broccoli, steak, and I'm going to fry up an onion to go with that. I think it sounds delicious. Don't have any sour cream. That's alright. We'll still enjoy it. Man, that temperature just dropped real quick. Yeah, so I've got a pot of boiling water going. Oh yeah, should put the lid back on it. This keeps the ashes out. Because I'm gonna prepare a nice warm bath. It's not that cold, but we'll drain some of this water out and we'll put like probably about 5 or 6 of those in here. Get it all nice and warm. I'm gonna enjoy myself a nice little hot tub tonight. I did last night. I sat in it for like almost 2 hours. It was amazing. Loved every minute of it. I'm so happy I bought this. It was only like 50 bucks Canadian too, so it was pretty cheap. And I can pretty much fit inside of it and dunk my head with a little bit of finagling, but I do fit in it. That's amazing. Kids are going to have a blast with this. Should have bought 2. Now I'm going to have to figure out how to get a pump so that I can pump the water from the lake. Although it is good exercise. I know I'm going to have to walk up and down that hill like 3 or 4 times. So I'm kind of glad I'm not too far from the water because I can just walk in there, fill the water, bring it back up, put it on the campfire, heat myself another hot tub. And that's pretty much how I've been enjoying my nights. Well, enjoying my single night because I only set it up last night and got it hooked up. But it does take a long time to fill because between those 2 buckets I've had to walk up and down the hill like 12 times or something like that. It is a lot of water, but it is amazing. All right, see you guys a little bit later when I've got this hot tub ready to go. We got bacon, cheddar, pierogies, onions, broccoli, and top sirloin steak, a little bit of Montreal steak spice. I'm gonna flip it over in a couple of seconds. Once that's done, I'm gonna enjoy my dinner. It's getting warm. Excellent. Wow, look at that. That is gorgeous. What a beautiful sunset. It's pretty warm. It's not that super hot or anything, but oh. Oh, might have a little too full. That's okay. I had it a little bit hotter last night. It was like perfect. Tonight it's warm, but it's not. Can barely sit in it hot. It takes 3 seconds to adjust like it was last night. But I do have one more pot sitting on the stove over there. Hopefully you guys can see me on camera. I've got a light over there, and I got the campfire in the background. But yeah, This bathtub is deep enough for me to dunk my head. And for me to fully dunk my head, I gotta go like sideways though. Probably lost a little bit of water. That's okay. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to hit the subscribe button, hit the like. Don't forget to like the video. Definitely helps when you like the video because it pushes it into the YouTube algorithm. So, yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Man, caught an 11-inch fish just over there, and I just had a fish on the hook, and it just got off. But this place is pretty darn cool, because every time you drive by somewhere, you can literally see the fish, 10, 15 feet down. It's pretty cool. I don't know if I can get it on camera, but it's pretty damn neat. Right there. There's another one right there. There's just groups of them right here. Should almost bring my GoPro or put my phone in a waterproof bag, but it'd be cool just to see if we can get a couple glimpses of some fish driving by. That's pretty neat. I'm gonna stop here, take a little pee break. Apparently people stop here and camp. This is the big island anyways. All right, I'm gonna go pee and then we're gonna go back to fishing. I see why people like to cliff jump right here. It is super deep. It's probably like 15, maybe 20 feet deep right there. That's pretty cool. I see why people like to camp here. Got some firewood. Fire pit. This is interesting. This little rock hideout here. People left a lot of garbage here though. Somebody left something here. Looks like for a tent. Cool spot. This would be quite the spot to go and hang out for a day or two and go explore what's on this island. Not much, as far as I know. It's the other little island that has all the cool stuff. Alright, second fish of the day. This one is just a little bit smaller. It looks like he's about 10 inches. I'm not even going to bother measuring him. He's not big enough. I already know how big a fish I want. But that was fun. He fell off the hook as soon as he got in the boat, so that's awesome. Alright. Bye, little buddy. We'll catch you when you're bigger. He's just hanging out under the boat. Yeah, fishing's good. I think we're going to pack it in pretty soon, though. It's getting pretty hot. All right, I got another one. But this one's just a little guy. I don't even think he's barely legal. Like, he's just a little guy. There's my hand comparison. But he's bleeding pretty bad. The fish are pretty resilient. They heal up pretty quick, so he might be okay. But we're gonna keep an eye on for a sec. He stopped bleeding as soon as I picked up the camera. Yeah, look at his gill. It's torn up pretty bad. But he's doing okay. It's not bleeding anymore. Sorry about tearing up your gill. You're supposed to get it in the lip, not the gill. But you're not bleeding anymore and you're very active. I think you'll live. Bye, little buddy. And he's gone. All right, 3 fish in the boat. I forgot to record the first one. I don't know why. But he ate all my worm. All right. Time to put another worm on. We'll do a little loop just down here, back up to the creek over there. And I'm camped way up there, so yeah. Another cool thing to note is that road up there is new. That's the new road. It connects to the back of Sugar Lake here. So it does like a full loop. And we did that in the other video just a few days ago. That was a fun drive. Well, luckily there's no fire, so we won't need to take it. We'll take the easy route home. It's like 15 kilometers less, so unless you got a bunch of gas, it's not worth going that way. All right, let's continue fishing before it gets too hot. Such a beautiful day out. It is hot out there. Whew. It is so hot, my camera's turned off twice trying to record videos. I gotta remember to put it like under a cloth or under a blanket or a towel or something so it's not sitting in the sun, because it sure gets hot when you're beating. You're sitting out in the sun. There's no airflow or nothing. It's just heat. I'm drinking my relight, getting my electrolytes refilled, so I'm staying hydrated, not dehydrated and getting headaches. Well, today was a successful fishing trip. I got 3 fish, 11, 10, and probably like a 9 or an 8 probably. So I'm gonna go make a cup of cold coffee. Let's go check this out. So what I've got is I've got these iced original cold coffee. So it's pretty much just instant coffee mix, but you just add cold water. You've got to stir this for like a minimum 40 seconds or so, otherwise Doesn't work. Look at that. Fresh coffee ready to go. Now, the last step. Reaching over here into the freezer. Good enough. Oh, just right. Got myself some dunkable eggs with some toast. Got myself some bacon ready to go. Probably save a couple slices for some hamburgers. Maybe I'll have hamburgers tonight. Bacon. Definitely worth it. Wind's picked up a little bit. Nothing crazy. Just enough to keep the heat off you a little bit. I wouldn't want to go stand out in the sun, that's for sure. It's pretty hot. But yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my lunch or brunch or whatever you want to call it. See you guys in a bit. Got a couple hamburgers cooking up like I was saying earlier today. Got some grilled cheese buns ready to go. Yum. I'm gonna enjoy my dinner, and I think that's pretty much gonna be it for tonight. I think I'm gonna start the fire, maybe listen to an audiobook. I don't know. We'll hang out by the fire. Maybe I'll go play a video game. Who knows? I mean, I'm just living life to the fullest, so I can't really complain. This is such a beautiful day. It's a little warm. I did kind of lay down for a little while. Kind of just listened to some music and hung out, relaxed. I almost had a nap. I was thinking about just having a nap, but I didn't. But that's it for today. Thanks for coming along. We'll see you guys tomorrow in the next episode. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to comment if you have any questions, and we'll see you guys on the next episode. Peace out.